Good evening, one and all. Welcome back to our channel, Your Career, Your Life. Today, I am going to discuss about Accenture Company as episode 4 in our company info series. When interviewer asks you the questions like why Accenture, tell me about Accenture, what do you know about Accenture, then don't confuse. I will be giving you a detailed description about Accenture Company in a simple and easy way. Before getting into the topic, let's roll the intro. Accenture PLE is an Ireland-based multinational professional services company that specializes in information technology services and consulting. It reported a revenue of $50.53 billion in 2021. Accenture's current clients include 91 of Fortune Global 100 and more than three quarters of Fortune Global 500. Its headquarters is in Dublin, Ireland. Accenture is founded in 1989. Formerly, Accenture name is Andersen Consulting. On 1st January 2001, Andersen Consulting adopted its current name Accenture. In 2002, initially, Accenture headquarters is incorporated in Bermuda. On May 26, 2009, Accenture Board of Directors unanimously approved changing the company's place of incorporation from Bermuda to Ireland. Julie Sweet is the chair and CEO of Accenture. It had 674,000 employees worldwide. It served 6,000 clients in more than 120 countries. It ranked 33 on Fortune World's Most Admired Companies. Accenture ranked number 1 on Fortune Most Admired Companies in IT service category. Accenture marching relentlessly towards the goal of 50-50 gender balanced workforce by 2025. Accenture nurture future women leaders through flagship programs such as High Tech Women and Grow Women in Leadership. Accenture is making it as a better place to work for women, with opportunities to work flexibly or work from home. On 29th August 2017, Apple Inc. announced a partnership with Accenture to create iOS business software.